Congratulations for
Thank
this
you.
new partnership.
Yes, thank you so much. This is one of our biggest projects as well. Actually, marami pa kaming nasa pipeline, but slowly we're only revealing the ones that are really confirmed na. So like today, in partnership with IME and of course Myriad Entertainment, we're launching Wonderful Moments Music Festival happening this December 6 and 7 sa SMDC Concert Ground. So this is gonna be big. We have a lot of performers. Hindi ko pa pwedeng i-announce kung sino yung lineup, but it's final already. And we're reserving it for the Grand Press Con.
So you're wearing your producer hat.
Again.
Once again.
Yes, kasi ganun naman eh. I think everything that I've done siguro since I started my company way back 2022 of September, lahat naman yun parang nagiging buff ko siya eh. Kumbaga, nadadagdag siya sa kaalaman ko, and when it comes to decision making, inputs ng, you know, yung, for me kasi, being part of the creative process, yung utak kasi natin is a vast, vast space for imaginations and opportunities. So, I think this is also one of the reasons kung bakit hindi tuloy-tuloy yung passion ko for our industry, of course, of giving back. Kasi ang ganda ng platform na that's the reason why we said yes to this as well, is because we're supporting P-pop or Filipino talent. I think isa yun sa mga pinaka-importanting kailangan gawin na syempre, wag nating hayaan na ibang bansa pa or ibang lahi pa yung makarecognize sa Filipino talent. Kailangan tayo, we are very much concerned about that, especially in our industry, in the entertainment industry. Kumbaga, you know, given the opportunity to help and give back, I think is isa yun sa mga pinaka main objective para tuloy-tuloy lang din yung ano natin.
May clues ba kung sino? Parang ma-excite lang yung fans. So basta big names in the P-pop industry, pwedeng sabihin ganun.
We have one of the biggest bands as of now. Thinking isa, nag-theme song pa sa isang pelikula ko eh. And then the other one is, we have a really huge girl group. Abangan yun kasi.
So yun lang muna.
Hanggang doon muna.
Hanggang doon lang.
At saka yung isa doon, reporter. Aubrey Carampel. Kakanta siya, di umano.
Then how hands-on are you in choosing the acts?
Siyempre, minsan kasi, you know, one of the challenges that we encountered while getting the acts were yung pagkakasunod-sunod nila in terms of performance, and how are we gonna divide the first day and second day, because both days have separate acts, hindi sila isa. So
two different shows.
Two different shows. So first show, ibang lineup, and then the second day, iba rin ang lineup. So yun yung, of course, hindi kasi, honestly, hindi talaga basta-basta yung guests. So we really had to be on point of our reasoning kung bakit, and kailangan lahat would be treated fairly. So, yun yung isa sa mga challenges, and at the same time, yung ano nila, genre and image and what they bring to the table is what matters as well. Kasi syempre, having music festivals and doing music festivals, culmination siya of a lot of performances eh. So, hindi pwedeng pare-pareho. So, yun yung considerations namin choosing the performers.
At ang maganda nun, may experience na rin yung Myriad before, no? Nung one of the
Razorheads as one of the producers. Yun din eh. And same venue actually. Same venue. Same venue siya. So, but this is bigger. This is, and we want it, you know, kasi whenever we pay for platforms for entertainment, we make sure that our money is put into good value.
Yes.
Na kung parang pay what is due, kumbaga, di ba? Yes. Parang kung ano yung binayad namin, yun yung gusto naming maramdaman. And what we wanted is, sabihin nila na yung binayad namin parang kulang sa naramdaman nila after seeing this concert. I think, you know, being able to watch different concerts as well gives me an idea on, kasi technically ganun lang naman yun eh. Whenever in creation of content or yung laman ng mga ginagawa mo, you put yourself in their shoes. Anong gusto kong makita as a P-pop fan? Anong gusto kong makita with this performance? Anong gusto kong maramdaman? So all of those questions must be answered by the lineup and the execution.
Pero masasabi mo biggest mo to na produce ever so far?
So far, yes. Sobra.
And of course, we wanted to take this opportunity to congratulate you. Isang beses pa, number one
pa din after 1 week.
Number one.
Because most movies kasi Alden, hindi umaabot na more than a week na #1 sa Netflix.
Wow, grabe. Wala pa naman.
Wala pang one.
Pero sana naman. Thank you. Salamat po. And of course,
Yes, direct.
direct talaga. See to it po that I will put all the recognitions of the film at heart and will do better ones next time. This just fuels me to do more films as a director. And maraming salamat po kasi parang, of course, to all my supporters and to everyone who believes in me, sana I did not fail you with this. Pero thank you pa rin kasi parang fuels me to answer the question, what's next?
Ayun, so masusundan pa?
Gusto mo ba?
Oo naman.
Joke lang.
kasali ako.
#1 eh.
Yes.
Excited kami sa next.
So yun nga, parang there were questions on social media if there's gonna be a sequel. Pwede rin naman prequel. Kasi yun parang with the way you deliver stories, it's a matter of perspective. How do you want it? Gusto mo bang ikwento yung susunod? O gusto mo munang ikwento yung nangyari before? Tapos bibigyan mo ng sundot doon sa sequel. I mean, ganun Ngayon ko lang naisip yun actually. So, sana.
So, pwedeng prequel, sequel, or a new
series
movie?
Or a new movie. New movie, definitely yes. Meron po. But announce ko na lang po pag may green light na tayo.
And of course, sa India, no? Isasali
Yes,
niyo
Jagran
ba
Film Festival, nakuha si Out of Order.
Wow.
And it's yung screening will be last quarter of November. So if schedule permits, inayos namin ngayon, baka lumipad kami to be there as well. Siyempre support natin yung pelikula natin.
At magpifinale.
Lipad literal.
Magpifinale na ang Stars on the
Yes!
Floor.
I mean,